you can see we are all here, the 4 OKA principles, reaffirming our unity of purpose and solidarity and commitment with the people of Kenya to build a just, inclusive, and prosperous Kenya with inclusive leadership. We were to sign our coalition agreement today, but we have postponed to polish certain legal issues that have arisen, and in a few days we will be letting you know the time we shall sign the agreement. We still are open to receive other parties that we are talking to into the OKA coalition and to building coalition with other Kenyans so that we can achieve our objective of being able to form government alone or with others in order to fulfill the urgent needs of Kenyans.